Stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep.
But it feels like an elephant shaking his big great trunk for the hell of it. You know that you're dreaming about being loved.
Et ça monte, ça monte, ça monte, jusqu'à ce que mon petit cœur disjoncte. Et ça fait bip, bam, boum, ça fait tch, et ça fait vroom, ça fait bip, bam, boum. Dans ma tête y'a tout qui tourne, ça fait chou, et puis blabla. Ça fait comme ci, comme ça fait bip, bam, ha ha ha. Dans mon cœur je comprends pas, ça fait bip, bam, là, ça fait bip, bam, quoi, I love you.
I'm going to show you a technique for stylizing your traced images. I pulled up a picture of a fish. On a new layer, I'm going to trace. Using the warp tool, I'm going to push around my outline to try to make this fish look a little bit more cartoony. This is a great technique for tightening up proportions and also modifying your sketches. Once you have the desired look, now you can outline.
Now that I got a taste, I think that I'd suffocate for every second that you aren't by my side. But now I'm stuck at the gate, a Lucifer's estate. I fell in love with a girl I met. I sold my soul to the devil for designer. They said go to hell, but I told them I don't wanna. If you know me well, then you know that I ain't going. Cause I don't wanna die young. The city of angels where I have my fun. Don't wanna die young. When I'm gone, remember all I've done. We've had our fun, but now I'm done. Cause you
No more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, cry, cry. But I like to party. Touch, touch, touch. But I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, cry, cry. Since the day we parted. Touch, touch, touch. But I got nobody, so I do it. I can swear, I can joke. I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Your ribbons and your pearls.
Know you feel the vibe. So baby, when you ready, hit my line. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you. Don't let shit get in the way. I know you gotta play games. So tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you. If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, can you handle that? You ain't ready for this work now. Watch me throw it.
Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how I intertwine lettering to make it look like it's weaving in and out of each other. So first, do your first layer of lettering, make a second layer when you go on top. It's very important that this part you do use separate layers. So once you get the script on top that you like, you're going to turn the opacity down on that layer so you're going to be able to see underneath it. Now that this layer is more opaque, you're going to be able to see where you want to erase. So you're simply just going to pick and choose parts that you're going to erase, parts that you're not, because this is going to make it look like it's weaving in and out. When you're done with the erasing, you're going to go to the layer and turn the opacity back up. And then once you turn it back up, you're going to see how it looks like it's going to be weaving in and out.